Tesla Cybertruck owner takes his truck to conquer the toughest muddy hole, which only lifted Jeep Wrangler could tackle. The mud puddle was quite deep, and it actually took the Cybertruck 3 tries before it definitively conquered the puddle. The Cybertruck looked impressive overall, especially as it was able to reverse out of the puddle easily during its first 2 attempts. The mud puddle was pretty challenging, and the only other vehicle in the group that was able to conquer it was a lifted Jeep Wrangler on 37s. The Cybertruck, for its part, was equipped with generic 285/65 mud terrain tires, which likely helped the vehicle handle the obstacle. The Tesla owner also noted that he put the Cybertruck on overland mode's all-purpose, very high setting, plus wade mode for good measure. Cybertruck was one of 10 vehicles that took on and successfully crossed the trail.